Hey friends, we'll be back again to Flutter Mobile Apps Development with the OSP Pro. Let's get started now. Check this. So I'm going to start straightforward my Flutter mobile application. I'm going to just check on my PC, see whether I have Flutter installed on this PC of mine. So to do that, I just need to check and type actually Flutter. So this definitely going to load all the Flutter components if possible. I have it set on my PC. Oh, this is great. So let me tell you something. It's trying to tell me that I have Flutter version new, which is actually available. Now I can say run Flutter upgrade. Now this will take me some time to upgrade to Flutter version 3, which is now present, but I'm not interested on that now. I just need to say Flutter Doctor so that I can see whether I really have all my environment set, and we'll get started to the next video, which is going to be a push up to how to really make things move. Now remember, in my previous videos I showed you guys how to run Flutter applications, and definitely we are learning right now at the moment to see how all the stuffs are set up to have the Flutter application installed on our PC. So this is it. I have all the stuffs and I have no issue. This is a very good start for all of us. So let's push to the next video where you're going to be pushing ourselves to look onto how to start making up your Flutter application, or no big deal. So get started with me. Push to the next video. Thank you.